If you have a BMW, Mercedes, Porsche, or any of the Lexus, Toyota, whatever, now it's so expensive, right? Okay. And if you had a problem with a bumper like this, okay, you hit something and you take the body shop, the bumper itself, paint, installation, all that stuff, minimum probably like $3,000, okay, because they're going to charge you labor here per hour, paint, how many coat, clear coat, all that stuff. If you are at fault, okay, and your insurance will be deductible about $1,000 or whatever, you know, nowadays our insurance is so expensive. Now I'm going to show you a very simple way that you can do yourself to save yourself money. Now this bumper here and this 3 Series BMW, I would say if minimum you do yourself, no more than 500 bucks, okay, but if you take to body shop, I would say no less than $3,000, okay. Now you see the bumper is tearing down already, so that means cannot use it. In the front here, the bumper is cut into half already, okay. So, and you buy a expensive car, you just don't want to drive like this, because somebody will say, you know, you can afford a nice car, but you can't afford to fix it. So embarrassing, isn't it? But I'm going to show you a very simple way. Online, eBay, I will say eBay, because I purchased from eBay. They have bumper like this, we paint it, and no more than $300-400, okay. Paint it, clear coat. It's a very fancy paint, just like this right here already. And then you do your self install. So I'm going to show you how to take this bumper out and install to make it look nice, okay. Okay, under here there's a 2 8mm, I think, holding it. Here, you pop this open, you should be able to see right there. Okay, take the one inside here out first, like that. This one's a 10. Okay, so I think they're changing this one to a different bolt because it's not this side. Okay, and all the clip on the bottom here, they already falling out. So this one is pretty much okay. Just take the fog lights off. It's only a couple screws that holding the fog light. Take all of this grill out, just clip, so just press and then they come out easy. Okay, so that one's come out. This came out. Okay, and the last one's on this side. Okay, and this new one pretty much just pop in.
that one I done already. So very simple, easy, just press down. It's just holding it. Okay. So let's put the fog lights in. Okay, done. Okay, don't forget to put the clip, this one back in here because you need it. Okay. Trying to put the screws up. Okay. Looks good, isn't it? Okay. So I didn't show the bottom, but the bottom have a couple couple of screw holding it. So the piece right here is torn, so I had to screw this to nail to the piece right here. Other than that, still have a couple, so I didn't do all of it, just do a couple, because there's no hole in there. I don't want to rip out the bumper, so that's good enough. It's strong enough. Oh my god, look at that. Whose money right there? That's my lucky day, isn't it? Let's see how much that one. I don't want to open it again because I hate to open and redo it. It's a $5. It's good for my soda. How did money go inside here? There you go. Ha. It's ripped a little bit. Still money, right? So now I go get my soda. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't get ripped off by expensive shop. You can get this paint by the bumper, aftermarket bumper, and they paint it and you just install. So it's so easy, you can do yourself to save you a big dollar.